Hi, I'm at the beautiful location of the Loch of Blairs in Scotland. There's a bird hide here, and I've captured various birds on my few visits this week to this location. One was a beautiful Great Spotted Woodpecker I captured about 3 days ago, and again I've captured the same bird today. I've got a mixture of video and some photography I took of this beautiful bird, so take a look, let me know, and as always, please give me a comment. Thank you.